All right, what's going on? Just want to talk about today's trade, the USD CAD. It's Wednesday, December the 7th. Um, so yeah, let's just talk about today's trade. Stuff from the beginning. When I first sat down, prices it was around here, where this 815 candle is. Okay, so then I started looking, what's likely to happen today. I started looking at the weekly cycle. Let's see what happened so far during the week. Monday, we had a move up. Tuesday, we had a move up, slow and steady. Wednesday, made another move up and then started coming down. Okay. What a retail trader sees is, okay, move up, pull back, looking for buys. Maybe some people pulled out their Fibonacci, whatever. That's what the retail trader is seeing. What I'm seeing is more the fact that we had 3 days where price has made higher highs, and now it started dropping. What I see is a type 1 setup here, type 1M setup. This is one of the setups that I trade, and we begin to drop. Now, as you can see, price started moving with speed, left this level 136,800, started moving with speed. I still wasn't interested. I was just interested in a pullback. Okay, and here's where the price gave me that pullback. I switched over to a 10 minutes, and I noticed, wait, this looks like maybe this is a 1, 2, 3 stop lines, right? Because what happened here, price came down, took out the lows of Asia, triggering some sell stops, and then they made this aggressive move up, 1, 2, 3. So then I switched over to 1 minute, and I noticed that they took out these highs here, these highs, yeah, okay? And then they turn around like that. That wasn't enough for me, but then as this candle was dropping, I took a sell here, one lot is on my MT4, and my stop loss was above that level, right? And everything was looking good initially, right? You see that? Even from a 50-minute point of view, beautiful, right? It's looking beautiful. See, this is what happened. Price made a lower low, broke the previous low, right? I kept the trade. Now price, you can see, you'll see price pull back here. They pull back quite aggressively again. Okay, but I kept that stop loss. Okay, I'm like, what can I do? What I can do really is control my risk, right? If they stop me out, we'll see. So what I ended up doing is price pulled back quite aggressively, right? But I had this last candle was kind of like the last resort, right? So to me, if price now here did this and broke past that, then I was just wrong. Whatever, move on, reassess. So when price did this, came here, pulled back, what I did is I closed half of my position, okay? Because now I was in a negative, and I closed half of my position there to reduce the total risk on the position. So I still have a 0.50 running here. So if price decides to move up and stop me out, I would have lost a little bit less than what I would have lost with one lot. Okay, so now I just kept that 0.5 open. And then once I saw this pattern here, this wick here was solid blue. So what did that look like? That looked like a star. That looked like a possible continuation up, but it failed. So what I did after is I waited a little bit, and this is where I entered the market with one lot. Okay, and my stop loss on that was here, because if they did this move here where they faked out the longs, right, they have no business coming back up here. Okay, because people that started catching longs here, all right, and now price moved against them, they're trapped. Now they're hoping. Now they're like in hope mode. Now is where they're hoping for price to come back in this area so they can get out at break even, or with the small profit, or with the small loss. All right. So here's where I re-entered the trade with one lot. So now I had 1.5 lots open on this, and they messed around, and then all of a sudden, boom, they dropped like that. Just 1 minute candle. Okay. So what I did is I closed, of course, I closed half. I I closed the one lot because my target was really just this area here. It's Monday's high. This is initial balance, call it. Price will mess around these areas sometimes. Monday's high and low. I always draw them out for every pair that I do. I always draw out Monday's high and Monday's low, and I use those levels as reference for the week. Because you see how they came here, messed around, came here, messed around. I'm not gonna go into that. That's other things. But I just want to talk about this trade today. So once you saw that 1 minute candle here drop, reach this level, it pretty much closed both my trades, and they helped me finish that first challenge with the 5%ers, the bootcamp. So I'm more doing these videos to track my journey for myself. If anybody watches them and can take value from them, or have any kind of questions about the way I trade or why I do certain things, just don't hesitate to ask. Um, but yeah, so that's what's up. This is the usual the dashboard on the 5%ers. As you can see, I just finished that challenge today. It took me 6 trading days to finish this. Now I'm on to the 50K. These are the stats, 20 trades in total. I mean, you can see that right here. Nothing to really hide. And if you can see that last trade, the USD CAD, here it is. USD CAD, this was the trade from today. Right here, these 3 trades, like I said, it was one lot, then I closed 0.50, and then I re-enter with one lot. And yeah. All right, so that was today. Now, for tomorrow, if price keeps dropping here and does not pull back too much, by too much I mean probably like up in this area, then tomorrow we could be looking for possible sells, more sells. Because if this is a reversal, then we're looking at a midweek reversal. So if this keeps price down here in this area, then tomorrow we could be looking for continuations down. All right. So that's it. Yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.